Watch as we solve for the value of x in this equation. We are given that x raised to the power 4 is equals to 81 and we are asked to find the value of x. Very easy. First step, we're going to bring this 81 to this side of the equation. And mind you, when a positive number crosses the equality sign, it changes to negative. So if that be the case, we're going to have it that x raised to the power 4 minus 81 is equals 0. What next? Express them in powers of 2. How do we do that? Of course, x raised to the power 4 can be written in index form of 2 as x squared all raised to the power 2. X squared all raised to the power 2, according to product power law in indices, if you multiply their power, we are getting back x raised to the power 4. So they are still the same. Then minus 9 squared, which is the same as 81, equals to 0. Now, applying the concept of difference of 2 squared, just open 2 brackets, plus in one and minus in the other one, equals to 0. So x squared is squared here, so we have x squared, one of it here, then the other here. 9 is squared here, we have one of it here, 9, the other here. Now, if the product of two numbers gives 0, it means that either of these two values is equals to 0. So easily, we can equate them to 0. So x squared plus 9 equals 0, or x squared minus 9 equals 0. So if we solve separately to get the value of x in each of the equation, of course, we're going to have that x squared is equals negative 9 here, because plus 9 crosses equals to sign, it changes to negative 9. Or here, x squared is equals 9. Because negative 9 crossing equality sign changes to positive 9. Okay, making x the subject here, we have that x is equals square root, because we are going to find the square root of both sides of the equation to remove the square here. So square root, of course, you start your plus and minus, negative 9, or x here equals square root of 9, as you can see. Now here, square root of negative 9 is an imaginary number. So in that case, we're going to have it that x is equals plus or minus, of course, square root of 9i. So square root of 9 is 3. Of course, that means that x is equals plus or minus 3i, or x is equals 3. And that becomes our result. Bye-bye.